Losing what's left of the racial lines in the Detroit area was the focus of a fictitious courtroom battle at Wayne State's law school today. And as Glenda Lewis explains tonight, the group behind it says the key to future change is understanding the past.
My role was just as an expert witness for the defense.
When this former Tuskegee airman took the stand, he shared almost a lifetime worth of experiences about inequality where he has lived.
I purchased my home in northwest Detroit. Even the next door neighbor that was occupied by the seller resisted my buying.
This mock trial put on by the Michigan Roundtable for Diversity and Inclusion is the result of a year-long project looking at the history of housing patterns in the Detroit area.
It focuses on the discriminatory lending practices of the Federal Housing Authority in Detroit. People knew that there was redlining, they knew that there was restrictive covenants, but I think they're seeing it and hearing it. Some of the exhibits have been powerful maps showing the actual redlining of neighborhoods in Detroit.
Arguments were made as if each participant were in the time period of 1934 through the beginning of the Civil Rights Act in 1968. Although many in the audience feel the issue is not history just yet.
Racial discrimination in housing is not a thing of the past. It's still a present concern that we're working on.
If it's a rental situation and a white tester goes and there's 3 units available, and then the black tester shows up half hour later and there's nothing available, that gives us pretty good evidence of differences in treatment accorded on the basis of race.
Cliff says his group's continuous fight for equality in housing has been a proven success.
Since 1977, when we started, we've assisted in over 400 litigations charging discrimination in housing.
Phase 2 of the mock trial program has moved to 3 rooms filled with people and area dignitaries discussing feelings and solutions about the future.
Where you live determines the stress level that you have.
This entire program is being recorded as part of a documentary to play in schools and be distributed across the community for educational purposes. On the campus of Wayne State, I'm Glenda Lewis, Channel 7 Action News.
Thanks, Glenda.